Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Fortnite lag on Android. To fix Fortnite lag on Android, first we need to activate developer mode. Go to your phone's About Phone section, tap the MIUI version or build number multiple times until you see the confirmation that developer mode is enabled. Next, go back to Settings and scroll to Additional Settings, then enter Developer Options. Inside, scroll down to Graphics Driver Preferences, find Fortnite in the list, and select System Graphics Driver. This can optimize performance and reduce lag. Additionally, scroll down to Wi-Fi scanning and ensure it is turned on. Along with always keep mobile data on, you can also close background apps to free up RAM and ensure your phone isn't overheating, as these factors can worsen lag. Activating these networks in system settings stabilizes connectivity, improves frame rate, and gives you smoother Fortnite gameplay on your Android device. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.